Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw a level 40 Allosaurus from Jurassic World the Game. Now to start off with this, we're going to begin with the eye. So starting right here, I'm going to just draw a little line that's going to curve down and it's going to come back around like this. Then I'm just going to add a little extra line right underneath it. Next, we want to start back here, and you want to draw a line that's going to curve around the eye, and I'm going to go down just a little bit and then back up. Next, we're going to come up, and we're going to make a line that goes down, kind of where the nose would be. Next, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down, it's going to come up, it's going to go down, and then back to here for the mouth. Then you want to curve this line up and just bring it all the way to about here. A little bit, ended a little bit shorter than how long this one is. And we're going to go down and curve up for the chin. Next, we're going to curve all the way to here for the jaw. Now, inside of here, I'm going to start by drawing a curved line. And we're going to fill this mouth up with lots of little sharp pointy teeth. And we want to do the same thing up here at the top. I'm also going to draw another little line on this side. You want to draw a line that curves up and then comes down for the tongue, and then continue this line down. And we're going to put some more sharp teeth in here. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go down. You want to draw this line down for the back. Then I'm going to come up and I'm going to draw a line that goes down, kind of where I want the leg to be. Now, starting over here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down for the neck. And then I'm going to make another line that goes down for the body. Right here, we're going to start the arm. So to do this, you just want to draw a line that goes down, and then one that's going to curve over. I'm going to draw a line that goes down and up, and then one more that goes down and up. It's going to curve back around. Draw a line that goes up and comes back here. For the other arm, I'm going to make it stick out a little bit farther, so it's going to go out, and then we're going to come down like this and then up. You're going to make another claw right here. It's going to curve around. Then we're going to go over and up. Now, starting here, I'm going to continue this down. I'm going to go down and come up a little bit. Now the leg, we kind of want the leg to look like it's facing us. And the leg, it goes down, they're not that long, and they really kind of bend back. So to do this, I'm going to start here, and we're going to draw a line that goes down. Then we're going to draw this line in on each side. Then we're going to go out and down. I'm going to curve this one down and up for the claw. Make one that goes down and up right here. And then I'll make another one that goes out and then curves up. And we're going to bring this up here. Now, starting here by the hand, I'm going to make a line that goes out and then it's going to curve in. And when it comes down to here, then I'm going to draw a line that goes out. It's going to come back, and then one more for another claw, or toe, I should say. I'm going to go up, add a little dew claw. Then we're going to curve in and go right up to here. Actually make this a little bit wider. Then starting up here, I'm going to make the tail. So I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down. I'm going to curve this up to here. It's going to come to a point and it's going to come back right to about there. Now, the next thing that I want to do is add some of the different details onto here. So we're going to start along the back here, and this Allosaurus has a lot of spikes on its head. It's got a lot of spikes that just kind of run down the entire body. So it's got a really big one up here, so we want to draw a line that goes back, and then it's going to come to a point and curve back here. Then I'm going to draw a smaller one here, and they're going to kind of get a little bit smaller as they go down the neck. Then they're going to all of a sudden start getting bigger as they reach the back. And then they're going to start to get a little bit smaller. And as they go down the tail, they're just going to be really small. Some are actually pretty thin too as they go down there. Now, starting here, I'm going to add a little curved line just to kind of show where the knee is. And I'm going to add a little curved line right around there just to kind of show where those claws are. We'll add some curved lines here and some curved lines on there. A couple little extra lines for some wrinkles. We won't see it on this one, but they have this big spike on the back of their leg, so we'll put one of them right here. And we'll add some little claws onto here, a couple little wrinkle lines. Add a couple more little wrinkle lines right underneath the jaw. Right up here, I'm going to just kind of color this line in a little bit for the nose. I'm going to add a little line back here by the mouth and a little line up here by the chin. There's going to be a little curved line that goes around here. There's going to be a line that kind of goes down and up here for some indentations. And then there's going to be a big kind of curved line right around here. I like to add some little lines in here to show where that skin is kind of stretching. Then I'm going to add a line that's going to curve up there by the head. And a couple more little lines right around the mouth here. And I'll put some right around the jaw too. I'm going to add a few quick little lines down here. Over here on the knee, just kind of put some little wrinkle lines to kind of show where those knees would be. A couple extra lines on the arms. Then inside here for the pupil, I'm just going to add a little black dot. Down the tail here, I'm going to add a couple little curved lines to show where it's going to kind of bend and twist. Just little broken lines here. I'm going to add just a long broken line going down here. And you can always come in and add extra little details in some different spots wherever you want to around your little drawing of your Allosaurus. But here is your basic drawing of your Allosaurus. Now, this Allosaurus does have a lot of spots on here, and these spots are going to be kind of like giraffe spots. Now, when you put these in, I'll draw a couple of them, but when you put them in, they're just going to be kind of like these random geometric shapes that are going to be colored in. Now, the trick is when you're drawing these, when you do your next one, you just want to leave a little bit of space in between them. And it doesn't really matter what shape they are, but you want to leave a little bit of space, and it's almost kind of like they're filling in like a jigsaw puzzle. So you're just going to kind of fill these in and leave just that little bit of space in there, and that's going to add some different details and stuff. And there you go. There's your drawing of a level 40 Allosaurus. If you guys have any other ideas for some different Jurassic World the Game characters, please let me know and I'll try my best to get them drawn. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.